It looks incredible.
What's going on, guys? How are you doing? My name is Shayan and today we are going to make an incredible French fries. This is my special French fries recipe and today I'm going to share this with you. It's a little bit complicated, but it works. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button for supporting me and drop a like on this video. Comment down below what you want me to make on next video. As always, first let's take a look to the ingredients. You can also see the exact quantity of ingredients in description. Let's go. Here we have our ingredients. Here we have 4 peeled potatoes, a small cube of butter and a little bit of garlic paste. Here we have cayenne pepper, salt, black pepper, about a tablespoon of cornstarch, and here we have an ice bath which is made of cold water and ice. You also need some oil for frying it. First we are going to cut our potatoes. Do your best to make equal cuts. First of all, we are going to make a small cut here so our potato will stay on our cutting board. Now we are going to make medium slices. Now we'll stack few pieces on together, then we'll make our cuts. Now we are going to add the potatoes to our ice bath so we can remove a little bit of that starch. We will let it be in the ice bath for about half an hour. Now it has been half an hour, we are going to add it to a boiling temperature water. We should let it cook for about 3 minutes. Now it has been 3 minutes, now we are going to put it on our paper towel. We need the potatoes to be as dry as possible. Now we are going to add the cornstarch. We will give it a good mix. And then we'll add it to our super hot oil. We'll cook the fries until golden brown. It takes approximately for about 8 to 10 minutes. Now the fries just need a few more minutes to get ready. Now we are going to add our butter to a pan and then our garlic paste. This just needs a few minutes to get ready. It gives an amazing garlic flavor to our fries. Just stir it. So now it's ready when you can just see a little bit of color change. Here we have our beautiful golden brown fries. Now we are going to put them on a paper towel to remove that extra oil. Now we'll add the fries to our bowl. Now we'll add the butter and garlic mixture. And then we'll add our seasonings. Now we'll mix. Let's plate it. It's so crispy. Just listen to the sound. It looks so crispy and it smells amazing. Let's try it. It turned out fantastic. Hope you guys make it and enjoy. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and drop a like on this video. Comment down below what you want me to make on next video. See you guys next week. Bye.